YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bremen17 coming at y'all with a video today. As you can see, I'm on the hooked up to the GoPro today. So yeah, we just gonna see what we getting into. I'm gonna be talking to y'all about whether or not you could daily drive the Dodge Charger RT. And honestly, bro, if you clicked on this video, really you should already know the answer to that. Yes, of course you could daily drive the Dodge Charger RT, bro. You could damn near daily drive any single car. But the question really is, like, is it a viable option? Now, the Dodge Charger RT, bro, very viable option, okay? First off, 4-door sedan, good size. You can fit your whole family in the car. I mean, if you don't want to fit your whole family in the car, I guess you could save a little bit of money, go Chally, get you a little Challenger, get a coupe. But yeah, comfortability, bro, in terms of your comfort as a driver, as you can see, we have this gorgeous cockpit right here. It's very comfortable, very spacious. I'm a big dude, 6'4", 250. And I mean, I fit very comfortable in here, bro. I fit in this car a lot better than I fit in my Toyota Camry, I will say that. And again, fitting your family in the car, you could do that. That shouldn't be an issue at all, really. We got plenty of room in the back. I fit comfortably in the front, and again, I'm 6'4", 250. If you are a dude, I highly doubt your spouse is gonna be 6'4", 250, bro. I highly doubt that shit. Like, come on now. But if she is, hey, she gonna fit just fine in the passenger seat, bro. And your kids, if they some big back ass motherfuckers too, they gonna fit just fine in the back seat, bro. But nah, continuing on with the video. So comfortability is good. Obviously, like, the looks, the style is good. Y'all already knew that. The drivability, bro. In my opinion, you ask me, this right here, this is the ultimate driving experience, bro. Not too much power. It comes with 370 horsepower, 375, 374, something like that. The horsepower is good. You can do what you gotta do. It does throw you back in the seat. I know somebody was saying, if you ain't driving the Scat Pack, you ain't got no horsepower. The RT can't throw you. Like, no, bro. The RT, I just showed y'all, it can throw you back in the car. People gonna say you gonna get gapped and shit. Who cares, bro? I didn't buy this car to drag race, motherfuckers. I didn't buy this car to street race. I bought this car because I was looking for something bigger, looking for something that had a little bit more power. I wanted the black car, and I wanted something that was stylish too. And of course, if you've been watching my channel, you know I got a Toyota Camry. If you're new to my channel, I do have a Toyota Camry. I'm renting it out on Turo right now. The same renter, she's had the car now for, tomorrow be like 3 weeks, and I'm getting like 700 bucks from it. So that's already paid off that, or that's already paid the car note for a month on that car. Excuse me. It's paid that note already for the Camry. It's paid for the insurance for the Camry, and now it's chipping away at the expenses of my Dodge Charger RT. But really what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just the extra money and stuff, I'm gonna just reinvest it back into the Toyota Camry. So when it's time to sell it, you know, I'll be able to do that, reinvest it back into the Turo business. But not, back to the topic of this video here. Daily driving the RT, is it a viable option? Yes, of course, bro. Of course it's a viable option. The car looks good. If you've been thinking about getting a Dodge Charger RT, bro, and you need a, I mean, if you're watching this video, bro, I know you don't need this here video to validate your purchase. That's why, like, I don't understand why sometimes people comment things and they're like, ugh, just saying like dumb stuff. I don't get it, bro. Like, if people watching the videos, bro, they're finding value in it. Just because you're not finding value in it, that don't mean nothing. But this is coming from an RT owner, so I'm trying to tell y'all pretty much, you know, my thought process, share with y'all my experiences, just like, you know, hopefully it can help y'all. Hopefully y'all find some entertainment value, you know, something like that. But nah, it's a great car, bro. I give it a 10 out of 10. If you coming from like any type of muscle car, or say a car that's like not the greatest on gas, bro, I mean, you should be straight with the RT. Cause like, it's not a gas guzzler, bro. But again, it's not a Toyota Camry hybrid. You're not gonna be saving a crazy amount on gas like that. You will be, I mean, you'll probably fill up like every week, just like normal. Anywhere from 40 to 50 bucks. So you're looking at between $150 and like $200 a month on gas. I don't think I spent over $200 a month on gas. This last tank that I got, it's actually been riding pretty well. It's been I mean, I did this here, I filled up last week, or like early, or like, yeah, like last Sunday or something. I still got plenty of gas, bro. Made it all the way through the week. It's about to be another week, and again, I got plenty of gas. Haven't ran into no issues with that. But I mean, overall, bro, it's a phenomenal car. My destination is coming up, so I'm gonna pause the video for just a sec. But we will be back. We will be continuing this video. Just a sec. All right, hey, so we are back. We are back. We're picking up where we left off, man. Again, we still talking about daily driving the Dodge Charger RT, bro. So look, I mean, I pretty much, y'all know all the features and shit on the car, bro. Like, y'all know what they come with. Y'all know about the horsepower. I mean, if you want all that extra stuff, bro, you're gonna have to wait for for my official Dodge Charger RT POV review. You know, you got to wait for that review. When I do that video there, I'm gonna go all out, bro. I want that video there, man. I'm gonna try to go, I'm gonna really try to make that mug like 30 minutes. And I'm gonna have a whole list of talking points, you know. It's gonna be a dope video. Y'all better be here for it. But nah, we just talking about daily driving it, bro. So again, I've been daily driving this car, and I had the car since like September, early September. If you ain't seen my videos, go back and watch. Go watch my video when I was taking delivery of it. Go watch my video whenever my Charger was a fishbowl. But daily driving the car, bro, I ain't had no issues. I've only been pulled over by the cops once since I've been in the car. I ain't really experienced like no crazy drivers like that, like somebody trying to like, you know, run me off the road, anything like that. I ain't experienced none of that. Again, like I told y'all, I don't be street racing, don't be drag racing, nothing like that. But I just be, you know, whipping my car. Like I told y'all, it's a great family size sedan, so you know, got the fam with me when I do. And you know, we just riding in comfort. Cause I mean, this car, I guess you could say that, I mean, well, obviously, like just from looking at the car, you know, it's not a luxury vehicle, bro. But I don't care about none of that. Cause honestly, in my opinion, luxury vehicles, I'm gonna make a whole nother video about it, but like luxury vehicles like the Lexus, like the what? You got the Lexus, you got the BMW, you got the Mercedes Benz, bro. In my opinion, bro, I've been in plenty of Lexuses. I've been in plenty of Mercedes Benz. I've been in plenty of BMWs, bro. Most of the time, people don't be having brand new Beamers, brand new Mercedes, brand new Lexuses, bro. They should be old. They should be like 2012s, 2014s. They should be like 10 years old. Not that that matters, but it's like, it ain't nothing that's gonna make the, like, bro, Lexus is made by Toyota, bro. They made it the same factory, bro. And that's why I was telling y'all the last video, if I wasn't gonna get a Dodge Charger, bro, I was not gonna get a new car. Cause all them cars look the same, bro. When it comes to driving the Dodge Charger, bro, the car, it looks different. It looks a lot better. It looks a lot better. And there's no denying it. People can say what they want, but you can't tell me a Lexus look better than a Dodge Charger, bro. Even on the interior, bro. Even the interior of those cars, bro, they don't be like nothing crazy. And you can't do this either. You can't, or not playing, you could do that, but I mean, you know, it is what it is, bro. Like, I don't want a car, I don't want a $50,000 car. It's $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 car that look like a car that costs 30K, bro. If I'm gonna get a car that costs 30K, bro, my shit gonna look unique. Like my baby right here. I got the carbon fiber paddle shifters. The steering wheel, I'm gonna get that carbon fibered out at some point. That, honestly, the steering wheel, that might be like the last part, like the little, like, right in here. Here. Right here. I hope y'all should be able to see that. I'm pretty sure. Let me try to pull this down just a little bit. All right, that should be a little bit better. I gotta pull it down just a little bit more. But nah, the steering wheel, you know, get that carbon fibered out. It's gonna be looking real sweet. The interior, bro, I actually like the Dodge Charger interior, bro. I know a lot of people, whenever I was doing my research on the car, a lot of people are saying negative things about the interior, saying like it's outdated, it's old, the screen is small, things like that. If you've been in a sedan, bro, you know the screen is pretty style. You know it's actually a damn good screen. It's a better screen than what I had in my Toyota Camry. The AC is good, AC controls is good. Everything on the car is good, bro. Like, I love the car. It's a 10 out of 10 car again. So can you daily drive it, bro? Yes, of course you can daily drive the Dodge Charger RT. And with that being said, bro, I don't know what else y'all want me to say. So You know, it's been your boy Bremen17. I hope y'all enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making the video. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next one. I'm gone. Peace.